Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevrolet 475 horsepower engine for our customer's 1975 Montecarlo. Go over some of our highlights on the engine build here. We started with a late model 4-bolt main block, one-piece rear main seal. We have the double roller timing chain in here, comp cams, roller lifter camshaft, brand new timing cover, new balancer. Engine block is painted the black with the brass freeze plugs. Correct oil pans on there. AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. All the roller rock arms are fully adjusted and set. It's real nice Taylor ignition wires in blue, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. The 383 black stroker valve covers with the matching air cleaner with a washable filter. We have the Russell heavy duty PCV hose, PCV valves installed. Correct thermostat housing on there. High flow thermostat. We have the aluminum intake manifold, Holley 750 CFM carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. We have the HEI distributor set in place. We always install the correct automatic flex plate for the customer's transmission. We have the TH350 trans customer has, so this is proper flex plate. Again, and balance for the 383. High torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube, push-in breather. Manifold vacuum fittings are installed for any vacuum hookups. We have the braided fuel line at the carburetor, fuel pressure gauge, electric choke wire, muscle car series fuel pump, all the AN fittings, heavy duty Russell fuel line, all the loop clamps going up to the carburetor, gas filters installed. It's real nice black Wraptor pulley kit, heavy duty A-rib serpentine belt, AC compressors installed, self-tensioning belt tensioner, high flow reverse rotation water pump, 160 amp one wire hookup alternator, GM Saginaw power steering pump. Every engine is live run at Engine Factory for 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in the stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. We set the ignition timing with our timing light. We adjust the idle mixer screws to get the best manifold vacuum reading. We set the idle, we check for leaks. Everything is thoroughly gone over, so you know when you put the engine in, you know it's 100% perfect. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 908-323-5847. Send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. We've been in business since 1969. It's family operated business here. So there you have it, our 383 Chevy Stroker 475 horsepower engine for our customer's 1975 Montecarlo. Thanks for watching.